If you want to access WordPress from your Bluehost dashboard in just a minute, this video will show you the fastest way to get there. This is perfect if you manage a WordPress site through Bluehost and want to jump straight into your dashboard without typing in a long login URL. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Bluehost account using the email and password connected to your hosting plan. Once you're inside the Bluehost dashboard, look to the left-hand side menu and click Websites. This section is where Bluehost keeps all of the sites connected to your account, so if you have more than one website, this is the place to start. After that, find the WordPress website you want to manage. You may see the site name, the domain, or a preview card depending on your Bluehost layout. Take a second to make sure you're selecting the correct website, especially if you host multiple WordPress installs. Next, look for the WordPress Admin option next to that website. This button is the shortcut that Bluehost provides to take you directly into your WordPress backend. Click WordPress Admin, and Bluehost will open your WordPress dashboard in a new tab. In many cases, you'll be signed in automatically, which saves time and avoids having to enter your WordPress username and password again. Once the new tab opens, you'll land inside the WordPress dashboard where you can manage posts, pages, plugins, themes, settings, and everything else on your site. From here, you can start editing content, customizing your website, or checking on updates right away. If the page takes a moment to load, just give it a few seconds. That's completely normal, especially on slower connections or with larger sites, and that's all there is to it. You now know how to access WordPress from the Bluehost dashboard quickly and easily. This is one of the simplest ways to reach your admin area, and it's especially helpful for beginners who don't want to memorize the WordPress login link. If this video saved you time, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.